Okay, here's a customer states having a scraping noise from the rear. So I didn't hear anything when I was driving it. I looked over everything's looking good, and then I come to this back wheel here. So that'd be the noise. So let's take this wheel off and see what's causing that noise. Alright, wheels off. Let's see if anybody can see what our problem is. Got it? There's our problem. So take that out and everything will be good. So it wasn't a manufacturer fault, it was just something that kind of flew up in the wheel well from a tree or something. Whatever kind of seed pod that is. Well, it's a simple fix. That'd be why it happens more in reverse too. You see it's almost going this way, there's nothing, then it gets, pushed and crammed up there. Easy fix. If you like the videos, subscribe, and I'll do more.